boy. Let's go. Whoa.
Check this out, YouTube.
What is that, a pin?
I think it's an earring.
Wow.
Look! Check this out, YouTube. 2 oil lamps.
Huh.
You may think to yourself, well, do you even have lamp oil? And let me tell you. We've got gallons of this stuff. Just moving stuff around, trying to clear off spaces.
Yeah. Ooh, tiny shovel.
Messier now, but we'll look cleaner. Also, is there any cleaning implement you're missing? Because we have 5 brooms and like 30 different types of mops.
I don't think so. Whoa! Look at you, a snotty mess. I'm thinking this whole side will be the garden.
And that side over there.
Yeah, and the other side is the trees.
And if you have leftover seeds and you want to do something crazy, you could clear this out and just throw a bunch of seeds out there.
Yeah. This whole back right here, from there to that flagpole diagonally, is our property too. But I'd hate to rip all this up. All the little animals living in it. Big girls do this by themselves. Voila.
We're the filmers.
But all right, in case I didn't video it, this section towards the compost, I'm not really sure what I'll be doing with it. Maybe I'll grow some like melons and watermelons over here just to try and grow them in the cooler months. When I say cooler, here in northern Florida, it's not really that cool, but you know, 70s to 80s is cool, 80s is cool. Then this is going to be the cottage wildflower garden. So I'm really excited to do my sunflower seeds and grow those. I think they're called Mongolian sunflowers, and they get really huge, and I've grown them in Central Florida before. So this area right here is what I was talking about, like tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, things that can still be in the heat and produce, but you know, they won't be as bothered because it'll be like 80s. And then over here with these tree cover, even though it'll be annoying, will be my brassicas, hopefully. And I also did order some corn, so I was thinking of doing corn in this patch. And like carrots and other root vegetables, radishes. So that'll be fun. And then over here, I think I videoed it a couple days ago, is going to be, this is all the orchard fruit trees. We got apples, and they look kind of in bad shape. I'm not a tree person expert, so I don't know what I'm doing with these trees. But it has been raining and watering them. There's pecan trees down there. At some point I do want to put some raspberry bushes and blackberry bushes on the other edge of this fence so that they can crawl on the fence. And I'd love to have some mulberry trees, maybe some muscadine. Anyways, my sister-in-law was talking to me about it, and she said that these are mainly males. So if I could get a female one right here, that would be perfect, you know, because I already have a bunch of wild males out here. And I would also like at some point to, I want mulberry trees. I'd love to do some pineapples, maybe some avocado. Not sure if they'd actually fruit here because it does get pretty cool in the winter. Lol. And the funny thing is, we didn't like physically look at this property like in person. We had ours, my sister-in-laws do it, and we thought that these, which really sold me out the property, they look like blueberry bushes. Still could be blueberry bushes, but if they are, they're the tallest I've ever seen. Now, I've gone to farms and stuff in Central Florida, and they do look like this. So, I don't know. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. We'll figure it out, though. Yeah, I'm excited. And once I get my seeds, I ordered from Baker Creek and Botanical Interests. And I'll do a thrift haul. I went thrifting today, so my brain's just on thrifting. But I'll do a seed haul. And hopefully we could start some seeds here in a couple weeks inside and then transfer them outside. Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Today is September 6th, and today we are working on sanding these baseboards for the 2 rooms that we have so we can redo our son's room and redo our room. And I could show you that, but today I'm going to be working on getting these nails out so I can sand them.
Don't let me stop you.
Alright, so I'll go show you guys the 2 rooms really quick that we're redoing. It's pretty hot. See my little helper? Alright, so we're gonna also eventually restain this, you know, to be more matte because it's glossy. But this stain is in the living room and in the kitchen and this walkway. But unfortunately, they did not do the in the 2 rooms, and there's like carpet residue. You have to sand all this. We took all this, well, Tanner took all the strips off, and then we're gonna stain it. And I'm going to sand these and paint them. I'm trying to figure out what color I want to paint them because I'm kind of into black nowadays. I think the baseboards and, you know, that would be fun black. But this will be our room. We don't really need a huge space. And then this room is painted purple. This is gonna be Finley's room. And same thing, so I'm gonna be sanding these baseboards.
Like have all your wood on that table. And then move it to the other.
Remove these nails so that we can, or I can sand it without damaging the wood. Also, don't follow everything we do. We are new homeowners, so we don't know exactly what we're doing yet, okay? This is just for funsies. And I'm not claiming to know anything. I am simply Googling and going from there.
There were 2 more doors.
You boys had to do it. Another one. All right, I'm gonna keep doing this process for a while. Yeah, fucking house wipe my ass. Tanner's doing the these ones because you gotta kind of rip the nail out of this side with pliers, so it's pretty hard. But I did all this on the table already, besides the bucket. Say hi. Say hi to the folks on the interwebs. Sweet boy.
You call
Did smile?
I ripped all the baseboards in the hallway, the rooms, the closets in the rooms, and the closets in the living room and the hallway closet. Jasmine was out here taking nails out of them, getting them ready to be sanded and painted. We're just gonna go with the same ones for now because that's the cheapest option. And then if we want to upgrade later, we can always get the more expensive thing later. Took all the doors down in those rooms. Need to clear out the closets completely to get ready for sanding. But before we sand, I gotta clean up the floor more. It's goo removal.
Well, it is 5:47 right now, and I just called it quits for today. I have to start, yeah, I have to start and make some dinner. I'm making like sweet potato fries, which take like 40 minutes, and some chicken, and you know, all of the good things for dinner. So yeah, get him ready for bed, and you know, he needs a bath. We need to cool off and wind down for our nighttime routine, right? But thanks for watching, everybody, and hopefully in the next video we'll have more progress and you can see what we were doing. Bye. Bye bye.